welcome everybody back to the E-Haul Network. We just tapped some trees here, just out in the front yard for now, just tapping the trees, seeing if they're running, and they're running pretty good. I'll show y'all here, but it is very windy. We got to keep this video pretty short. But yeah, we're just testing. We got like 2 buckets on each tree here, and one down there has got 3 on it because it's just spewing out their maple water like it's nothing. It's just spitting it right out. I'll show y'all. The bucket's probably full by now, but we just got all the lids on, so I'll turn y'all around and we'll show you. All right, we got one here. This is just one tree. I don't know, that one's not putting out anything, but this one here is. It's got a little bit in there. We got these here, doing pretty good. Not bad. Also got this one here. See, they're dripping pretty good here. Oh yeah. Yeah, nothing there yet. Well, this guy over here, these are the hard maples. These last 2 trees, this one here and that one over there, they really put out some sap. Oh yeah, look at that. Quite a bit in there already. They're dripping at a pretty good rate. It'll be full probably tomorrow. This guy's dripping a little bit. Well, we'll go over here. You guys better watch out because it's like a hose coming out of there. Our woods is right there, and way back there on the corner right there, see that little white tank right there? That's where we cook everything. So yeah, we cook everything back there. I'll go out there and probably show you what we got so far. We got a lot more to set up, but oh yeah, these guys are going good. Yeah, this is my favorite tree right here. He really puts out some sap. Oh yeah, look at that, he's covering up. Look how fast he's dripping. That'll be full by tonight. Oh yeah. He's going pretty good. This one over here, doing pretty good too. Got some sap in there. All right, let's go out to the woods and show y'all what we got. Do a little cold start on the truck here. Fire's right up. Hasn't been started in like 3 days. So let's go out to the woods and show y'all what we got. All right, so this is what we got out here so far. This is like the base here of what we got. This is where most of the amount of work needs to be done out here. We got to take those bricks that are right there, and we got to put chimney cement down in here and lay them all in here. I need some more bricks though because most of them are broken. And then I got to get a little mesh piece put along this lip. I need a little mesh piece to put on there. And then we got all our firewood right there. There's like pans that go on top of this that lay across like this. And then the fire's down here and it just goes out the back. We got to get a chimney put up. And then we got a carport, like, you know, like little ports that you drive your cars underneath. It's not even it's not like a garage. It's like a little shed kind of. You pull your car under it. Yeah, we're gonna put one of those out here to block the wind and keep from rain coming down into the maple syrup while we're trying to cook. So we gotta put one of those up, put the walls on it, and get the chimney put on, all the bricks. And then what else do we have? Oh yes, we got to get one of those tanks there, or this tank over here, that tank there. We got to get the bottom of it at least this far off the ground here, taller than this, because it's got a gravity feed into there, into the pans that go on the top. It's got a gravity feed. So somehow we got to pile up some dirt or stack up a lot of skids to put them on, to put it on top. But that's what we got so far. So it's quite the process. We got some nice firewood here. I think I need to get some more firewood, but yeah, it's coming along very nicely. But we do have some very bad news. All right, so about the bad news is, here's the bad news. As you can see, we broke off 2 studs on that back tire there. Just the other day, it only had 2 lug nuts on it, so I don't know why they broke. But yeah, you can see the scratch marks on there where the tire was wobbling around because the 2 lug nuts that were on there still, they weren't even really on there. They were only on there like 4 threads, and that's about it. So the tire was like wobbling back and forth a whole bunch, and yeah. But yeah, they should be able to withstand 2 lug nuts just fine. I don't know why they broke, but you know, what do you do? We still have 4 on this side here and 3 on the other side, so it's a little bit wider on one side than the other. So but yeah, I got some other clips of us fixing that tire. So yeah, that's probably the end of the video there. Just kind of showed you all the setup that we got so far and what we need to do. We'll see y'all next time. Why you don't buy cheap spacers? Look at that. We snapped off 2 studs. Probably didn't help. We had 3 lug nuts on there.
Hey! Hey!
It's terrible. Here, let me just take my tires off here with my hands. We gotta get it thin.
Should bust his windshield out. He'll never see it coming.
You know why it broke? Or why they came loose? I tightened them with a Makita. Whoa, 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 whoa. Would you put in there? I don't make it work.
No, yeah.
Yeah, these were hand tight, so that's why I said you have to hand tighten them. A piece of junk.
Maisie. Maisie, get out of the way.
Maisie, what about? Well, I only had 2 lug nuts on there.
Well, that would be why.
Ooh.
It literally broke off. The other 2 did.
Ooh. That's sharp.
Here you go. Are there any of those loose? They look fine.
Oh yeah. Oh, we gotta get the adapter.
Oh, yo!
How's this thing start?
Whoa!
He's gonna try to drive away. Did I get the one?
Let me out!
Is this the wrong size? I was gonna say, but I don't know. Her heat works good there. Junk.
If I wouldn't hit it with the 4-wheeler, you would have thrown it.
I probably would have.
You hit it with the 4-wheeler?
I bumped into it and it moved like 6 inches.
We done
You-
scarred
you
the
bumped?
inside. Yeah, he just
I tapped it with the 4-wheeler.
he ran into it. That's why they broke.
Yeah. You're not even
What are
close.
you talking about?
Yeah, go up a little more to the left. Go down more with it. No, you're not there yet.
Not yet?
Pull back off. You're not on. No.
What are you talking about? I don't know. I think we bored out the holes there a little too big.
They bored out the wheel?
Yeah.
What? What the heck? I put all the lug nuts on.